You must be aware of one simple shortcut, that is, we can always use 1 plus I whole square as 2I. How is this possible? 1 plus I whole square is 1 square plus I square plus 2 into 1 into I, that is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2I, that is equal to 2I. This is one simple shortcut you can often use. We have a problem based on this. What is 1 plus I power 8 plus 1 minus I power 8? Option A 2 power 8, option B 2 power 5, option C 2 power 4 cos pi by 4, option D 2 power 8 cos pi by 8. See, 1 plus I power 8 can be expressed as 1 plus I whole square power 4. Similarly, 1 minus I power 8 can be expressed as 1 minus I whole square power 4. 1 plus I whole square, 1 plus I whole square is 2I power 4 plus, need not have to say 1 minus I whole square minus 2I power 4. 1 plus I whole square power 4 is 2I power 4. 1 minus I whole square power 4 is minus 2I power 4. If you want to understand why 1 minus I whole square is equal to minus 2I, the proof is very simple. So 1 minus I whole square is 1 square plus I square minus 2 into 1 into I. So these two cancels, leaving you minus 2I. Now 2I power 4 plus minus 2I power 4, I can simplify this as 2 power 4 into I power 4 plus minus 2 power 4 into I power 4. 2 power 4 is 16, I power 4 is 1, minus 2 power 4 is 16, I power 4 is 1, 16 plus 16, that is equal to 32. Therefore, option B is correct because 2 power 5 is 32. Dear students, you must know one basic information about complex numbers. Modulus of A plus IB is same as modulus of A minus IB, or in short we can say modulus of A plus IB by A minus IB is always equal to 1. That is, observe carefully, modulus of A plus IB by A minus IB is always equal to 1. The reason is modulus of numerator is same as modulus of denominator, therefore both cancels, you will get it as 1, provided A minus IB is not equal to 0. There is a problem similar to this. Before taking up the problem, let me tell you, A plus IB by A minus IB is always unimodular. Unimodular means modulus is always equal to 1. The problem is like this: if C plus I by C minus I is equal to A plus IB, where A, B, C are real, then what is A square plus B square is equal to? You are asked to find out what is A square plus B square if A plus IB is equal to C plus I by C minus I. It's very simple. Put modulus both the sides. What you will get? Left hand side is 1, need not have to say y, is equal to root of A square plus B square. Therefore, A square plus B square is equal to 1. Clearly, option B is correct. Dear students, we have already discussed a shortcut called 1 plus I whole square, that is equal to 2I. If 1 plus I power 2n is equated to z, then what is z? 1 plus I power 2n is always equal to 2I power n, and 1 minus I power 2n is always equal to minus 2I power n. The problem is like this: the smallest positive integer n, for which 1 plus I power 2n is equal to 1 minus I power 2n is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The question is 1 plus I power 2n is equated to 1 minus I power 2n. Let me rewrite this by taking 1 plus I whole square as 2I power n, of course, and 1 minus I whole square I will write it as minus 2I power n. I can split it as 2 power n I power n is equal to minus 2 power n I power n. That clearly says 2 power n is equal to minus 2 power n. This is possible for all the values of n as even number. N is equal to 2, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 6 or any other even number, this is true. Therefore, n is equal to 2 is the least positive integer for which this is true. Therefore, option B is correct for this. Dear students, you must know that multiplication of two complex number gives you another complex number, and multiplication also has got a shortcut. If a plus ib is multiplied to c plus id, then that is equal to ac, that is a into c, minus b into d, that you are getting because I square into bd, ac minus bd plus I times bc plus ad, or you can also write this in the modulus form, ABDC modulus plus I times BD minus AC modulus. We have a problem based on this, that is conjugate of the complex number 2 plus 5i divided by 4 minus 3i is equal to option A 7 minus 26i divided by 25, option B minus 7 minus 26i divided by 25, option C minus 7 plus 26i divided by 25, option D 7 plus 26i divided by 25. Whenever you are given complex number in the quotient form, then always it is advisable to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator to simplify that. So you can always multiply this as this with 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i. Need not have to say denominator has become 25 now. Now we have to choose among the 4. It is 2 plus 5i multiplied with 4 plus 3i. 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 3, 15. 8 minus 15, that is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is a must in the answer as a real part. Therefore, option A and option D are ruled out because you have got plus 7 there. Now we have to choose whether option C is correct or option B is correct. C is correct if you are getting positive value as imaginary part, and B is correct, and B is correct if you are getting negative value as imaginary part. Now we got the real part, and now we have to concentrate on the imaginary part. Minus 7 plus BD minus AC, that is BC plus AD. BC means what? This is B and this is C. 5 into 4, 20 plus A into D. A into D will give you 2 into 4, 2 into 3, 6, 20 plus 6, 26. 26 will give you option C is correct. Minus 7 plus 26i, that is option C is correct.
Chips proudly announces admissions for crash course for JEE Mains and CET coaching. Classes commence after 2nd PUC and 12th board exams. Crash course for 2nd PUC regular. Classes commence after 1st PUC and 11th board exams. Accommodation assistance provided for outstation candidates. Centers at Kumta, Dandeli and Bangalore.